So guys and girls, welcome to the ninth video, I guess, of CSCS TP series. So let's see this question, edit distance. So this question is very easy, and if you have done longest common subsequence, it would be a very easy question for you. If you haven't yet done longest common subsequence, I would encourage you to go to Karthik Arora have really explained it well, and Aditya Verma also have really well. So would recommend you these two channels to watch LCS problem, right? And so let's discuss the problem now. So you have been given two strings, and these are the following operations you can. You can either add one character to the string, remove a character to the string, and replace any character in the. So so for example, if you have love and movie, you can convert. Sorry, you can first replace L with. So you can convert love to movie by replacing L with M and then adding I. Right? We can add add character to any index. It is not necessary that it should be pushed into the string. It can be added at any index. Right? So so how do we first approach this problem? Right? So this a problem is a trivial problem. Let's see how we can approach. So uh, yeah, let's consider so this one rule of DP. We always break our problem into sub problems, right? So let's suppose we are at the ith position, right? We are at the ith position, and here also we are at the ith position. We are at the jth position, right? And if these two are not equal, these two alphabets are not equal, what are the moves I can make to make them equal? First, I can just replace the character in the string, replace either I or either j, right? Or remove I or j, right? Or add a character, add this j character to the string here, or add I character to the string here, right? These are the three possibilities I can have when I have I and j and they are not equal. Right. Else if they are equal, we would just reverse to I minus 1, j minus 1. Right. These are equal, then we don't, we are satisfied, right? These are two equal, then we wouldn't be anything. But if these are not equal, then we would be doing these three operations, any one of these three operations. And we would be doing these three operations in such a way that we have to minimize the number of operations, right? So here is the trick, right? If you have seen LCS, you know that a table is formed of size n cross m, where n is the size of the first string, m is the size of the second string, right? So let's jump to first Sublime, and there I will put. So we have a table of n cross m, and what would dpij represent? So dpij would represent the minimum minimum operations did to equalize s s dot dot 0 dot dot I and p 0 dot dot j, right? Minimum operations required to equalize s 0 dot dot I and p 0 dot dot j, right? From 0 to I and 0 to j, right? And so if so let's find the relation, right? So if si is equal to pj, that means we both are equal, then we would just say that it would be dpi minus 1j dp dpi minus 1 equal to dpi minus 1j. right? We don't need to do any operation. But if it is not equal, then dpij, either what are the three possibilities? Either we can see, these are the three possibilities. Have been given these two I, this is j. Either we can remove I and the I minus 1 of position, right? We would compare then I minus 1 at in j position, right? This is the first condition, right? What is the next condition? dpi I j minus 1. So either I can remove jth, right? The next position. What is the next situation? We can replace I with j. So if we replace either I with j or j with I, then we would be having dpi minus, we would be decrementing both of them because both of them are not equal, right? So if we have replaced, then these are two are equal. So these are the three possibilities I can have, and yeah, these all three we have to find the minimum of these, or what, that we have to find the minimum of these three and add one to it because we have done an operation in the operation, right? So I hope that is clear to you that what we are doing. So we have these three operations only that we can remove either if1 or jth, and or I can replace ith to find dp I minus 1 j minus 1, right? These are the three operations I can make, and it's the result, right? So this is pretty easy. We would just input both our string, give their sizes, make a dp of size n plus 1 cross n plus 1, and iterate over both of the string. If either of if it is not I, so here's a thing to consider that I is one based. We have done one based index. So if I is equal to 0, that means we are not considering any character from S. So if we are not considering any character from S, then we have to do J operation, right? Why J operation? Because if we are not considering, if suppose we are considering J operation, right? We are considering first J character of P string. Those strings are curved muffin, right? So we are considering so when at I is equal to 0, actually not muffin because it is curved, right? So when considering this j, when j is equal to 1, would consider v, right? And we are not taking any character from string s. So if we are not taking any character to make both of these equal, we have to remove v, and this is the only option we have. So if we are considering these four characters, we have to remove four of them, which would require four operations. So removing j characters would require j operation. dpij is equal to 0. Similarly for not j, if our j is equal to 0, then we would be doing dpij is equal to I. Else, if the both of the both if we, the both of the characters are equal, then we would be just doing this dpij is equal to dp I minus 1 j minus 1, right? Because both of them are equal, we don't need to do anything. But both of them are not equal. In that case, we have to do this, right? And our answer would be dp n plus dp n m. The final answer would be dp n, because that would give us the minimum operation needed to equalize s up to n and p up to j, right? P up to m. So I think it was a very simple question. That was lowest common. If you no longest common subsequence problem, then it would be a piece of cake. If, sorry, I don't know. So yeah, so it would be a piece of cake for you if you know LCS. So let's have a little spoiler of rectangle fitting. Each mode you can select Okay. So this is a bit tricky problem. I mean, actually, edit distance was medium, and this is somewhat hard because I want because if I gave that hint, it would be solved really easily. So I don't want to spoil all of that. So struggle through it. Give it 10 to 20 minutes, and don't if you are not able to do that, then I'm there for you. Right. So till then, bye bye. Have a break, and then code again.